Have you ever noticed how some people without having a fancy degree, they are earning more money than those who spent years in their colleges and universities? Why does that happen? And what they know that most people don't know? The truth is, the world formula to get success that is completely broken. The job for which you are studying today, it might not even exist in upcoming few years. So here is the real questions for it. In a world which is rapidly changing and evolving, how do you keep up yourself and actually get ahead? Hey there, welcome back to MedX Show. I'm Kavi Adav, an NHPC registered general medicine assistant and full scholarship awardee in hospital and healthcare management at Pokhara University. Today in this video, we are going to dive into a mindset shift that could completely change the way you think about wealth and success. So watch the video till the end. Think about this for a second. You have probably heard about it in your life that you have to study hard, get into a good college, land a degree, and then your life will be set. That was the dream, right? Maybe you have already seen it around you. Someone you know, like your cousin, neighbor, or even you yourself, who studied hard for years, graduated, and got the first job. So in the beginning, it seems like, oh, yep, it's secure job, right? Now my life is set. But then everything start to change. Like new softwares comes in, new technologies are introduced in that job, new applications replace the entire businesses. Then suddenly the skills, the knowledge that felt valuable yesterday aren't enough for today. Let me give you a one real life example. Remember when television was the king of entertainment? Everyone from the families they gather around the TV at a fixed time to catch their favorite show. And during that time, advertising on television, that was the golden ticket. Many big businesses, they spent millions on their advertisement because everyone was watching the television during that time. Thousands of careers were built in producing, broadcasting, selling TV advertisements. But then something happened. The streaming channels, platforms like YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, they entered into the scene. And it completely changed how people consume the content. People don't wait for a scheduled show. They scroll, watch, and share whatever they want and whenever they want to share, whenever they want to watch, right? Within a decade, the entire TV industry it lost its grip. Their ratings dropped. All the ads revenue that collapsed. And many jobs which were tied to that television industry that was either shrank or disappeared. And here is the scary part. This isn't just about television. You can see massive changes in every sector, every field, in banking, education, healthcare, even business. And that's why it's important to pay attention early. The job you are training for today, it might not even exist in few 10 years. Because industries are changing, technologies are moving quickly, and the world rules that worked for our parents, those methods no longer work in today's world. So, what should you do in the world that is rapidly changing? I'll give you the three important things. If you follow these, then you can easily adapt to the changing environment. So, the first one is focus on foundations, the skills that never go out of styles. Skills like clear communication and problem solving. If you have these skills, then you can easily adapt in the changing environment, no matter how fast the world is changing. Second, train yourself to learn something quickly. Don't be afraid to start from zero. You must have to develop the ability to learn something, to pick up a new tool, a new platform, or even a new career path in months, not in a years. That is the ultimate superpower today. Because if you can learn something quickly, then it will be very easy to adapt. So it provides you the flexibility that we can easily adapt to the changing environment. And finally, choose one area in which you are truly curious and passionate about and do mastery in that field because mastery is the only way to create the real wealth, to build the real wealth, and that's what this channel is for. Every week on this channel, we share tips and valuable insights on leadership, communications, business, and personal growth. All that for helping you to stay ahead, learn fast, and achieve your goals quickly. So always remember the world way of studying, getting a degree, working at one job for a long life. It doesn't work anymore in upcoming future because everything is changing fast. Technologies are moving quickly, and the skills that seemed valuable and safe yesterday, it might not be enough for tomorrow. But the good news, you can still take control by building a strong basic skill, learning something new quickly. If you develop the ability to learn something new quickly, then I'm sure you will have a lots of opportunities in upcoming days that most people might miss. So if this video gave you a new perspective, then don't just keep it to yourself. Hit the like button, drop a comment about one skill that you want to learn next. And don't forget to share this video to your friends who is still stuck in the world system. And of course, make sure to subscribe our channel, make sure so you never miss any valuable insights that helps you to grow in wealth, mindset, and your career. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.